Hi everyone. In this video, I will let you know how we can change the list value. In next video, I will let you know how we can append the list value. Suppose in first we have one list. I want to change few values in the list. So how we can do it? So let's see first example. So here I have created one list. This is the one list. On index number one, this is a zero index. This is a one index. M- Mohan, I'm changing as a SK. So you will have to write here index number one equal to SK. Your output will be this one. You can see this is the output after Rajesh. SK is here. Mohan is replaced. Now term list 1 to 3. So 1, 2, 3. So here I'm changing the index value 1 to 2. This is the 0, 1 and 2. 3 will not change. Okay. So Mohan and Akash will be changed as a Ram and Rohit. So see here, Rajesh, Ram and Rohit. After that, Sohan, Amit, Kishore is available there. Okay. So same thing I will do into Jupiter. So here I'm just creating a list. So here I'm taking team. This is the team name of the variable. And here I'm creating list. So I'm taking John, comma, Kyle, comma, Mary, comma, Akash, comma, Rohit, comma, comma, Jacob. Okay, so this is the list I have created. Now what I have to do here, I will show the list first. So you need to write here print table, run it. So see here, list has been visible. Output of the list is this one. Now I'm moving on next. So I will create same list. So see here, I have created same list. Now here I want to change the list value. So instead of Kyle, I want to take here Aman. So how we can change Kyle with Aman? So here you will have to write team. What is the index number of team? Kyle. So here I'm taking 1 because this is a 0 index, this is a 1 index. For 1 index, you have to take here Aman. Now Kyle will be changed as a Aman. So now I need to show print team. Run it. So see here. Now Kyle is not there. Aman is there. Okay. Moving on next. I want to change next. Next. What is the next example? Next example, I want to change this list number to Mary and Akash. I want to change. So let's see. Here I'm just creating same list and then I will write here team square bracket 1, 2. So sorry. Here I need to take 2, 3. This is a second 2, 4 you need to write equal to you write here. Um, I need to take here XYZ and ABC. Here I'm taking XYZ, comma ABC. Okay. Now you need to take here print team. Run it. So see here XYZ ABC is replaced. Okay. Mary and Akash is replaced with XYZ ABC. Okay. Now moving on, next example. Next example is how we can change complete list. So if I change here complete list, like here I need to take team 0 to 7, and here I need to take XYZ. So only one XYZ will be in your team. Run it. XYZ expanded. So see here in all complete list XYZ is expanded. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.